Hey, what's up you guys? It's Anthony here from DIY Auto Tech. Today we're coming to you with a different type of video. As you can see, I've got some gas-powered 2-stroke lawn care equipment up on the bench today for review. I've got the Echo SRM-225 Weed Trimmer, and I've got the Echo PB-2520 Leaf Blower. So both of these tools are going to be considered professional grade, used for the professional in the landscape business. However, the price point puts these right in that sweet spot for someone like me who just does residential gardening every once in a while. So trimmer coming in at about 200 bucks, leaf blower coming in at around 150 bucks. I'm going to link these in the description below. These things are a blast to use. They are so much fun. It turns the mundane type of yard work into a good old time. So I'm going to video just cleaning up the side yard. You'll see how much fun I have with these things. And I encourage you guys to go buy these if you have big old weeds that you got to cut. Now's the time. For this, I'm also using some line, Echo brand line. They sell some high-end 2-stroke fuel that's pre-mixed 50-1. But if you want to go old school and pre-mix your own, they do sell the oil that you can mix in. Before you head out, make sure you have your eyes and ears covered and wear a respirator if you have allergies. Here you can see the Echo, nice piece of equipment here. And there's a leaf blower. Alright, so that was pretty easy. As you can tell, the Echo ate through that like nothing. I went through some really thick weeds on the other side of the house that I didn't film, and it ate it for breakfast. Most of the time I was about a 1/5 to 1/4 throttle on that. Every once in a while I'd hit full throttle just to bump feed it, but yeah, this thing's working awesome. Really good on fuel, surprisingly. And now you can see we got this big old mess behind us, so we're going to clean that up with the leaf blower. Switch it to on, give it a few pumps. I leave it pretty much wide open because it's pretty warm today. Oh man, that's fun. And now that you got most of the cleanup work done, pretty easy to just take some Roundup or some other similar weed killer, spray it 1 or 2 passes, and then your weeds are gone for good. So pretty quick, easy, and fun way to get rid of weeds in your garden. I'll leave a link down below for both of these tools. They are freaking fantastic. I'm glad I went with them. Echo is an awesome brand. Like I said, they're gonna match up with Still and Husqvarna. You can watch other YouTube videos as I did to correlate that information. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.